Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this ROTTAY numbers pad with 2.4 GHz wireless connection. It's a mechanical numbers pad. You can hear that, really nice. And it is rechargeable and it comes with 10 keys, illuminated keys with different lighting modes. It comes with low profile blue switches which have quick triggering, tactile feedback and a distinctive sound. So this is what we get. We get this nice pad, very solid. It comes even with these kickstands here, and everywhere we have this soft rubber feet which makes it really solid and not slipping away. And even when we use this nice kickstand, there's still this nice soft rubber feet here, very nice designed. And here we have this storage for the dongle, and it also comes with this high quality braided USB-C cable. Comes also with this short instruction if you need that, especially for the function key. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read that if you are interested into that. So we plug it in here on the keypad and after that on the PC, and then we have to wait for a little bit and we see the nice illumination, and we can wait till the Windows 10 or 11 or whatever we have is setting up the driver automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Just wait and give it some time till it's fully updated. And after everything is updated, of course, we can use it then also wirelessly. So we just plug this wireless USB receiver, which is already pre-connected here in this PC. And here on the back, we do not only have the charging port, we have also the on-off. We turn it on. So we have also the nice illumination, also wireless. And then we get also a notification here that it's setting up this 2.4 gigabytes device and it's already ready to be used. We can even use the keypad to directly activate the calculator. When we press here, you can see we have the calculator here, and to use the different numbers we activate the numbers here, and so we can use the numbers directly from here really nicely. And with the function key we have a lot of different settings regarding the illumination, different brightness. Here we switch between the breathing mode and the steady mode, and in the breathing mode we can increase or decrease the speed. We have also a lot of different additional functions like the escape, the tab, the delete and so on. So it's a lot what you get here. Definitely also a premium design, premium touch and feel. This is not just like any normal standard numeric keyboard. This is much more. Very convenient, very good working, mechanical, yeah, definitely superior. And because it's very energy efficient, you only have to charge it for about 2 hours and then it lasts for about 2 months with regular usage. So I'm super happy with it. I can highly recommend it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.